We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Hi, I'm interior designer Natalee Bowen, and today we're going to be talking about how to actually add warmth into a room and what are the things that you can do to really add character. So sometimes when you walk into a home, a room can actually feel quite sterile and cold and doesn't have that warmth, that lived-in feel or a real homely feel about it. So a way that you can actually add character and add that warmth is by bringing in natural elements. So pieces like leather, jute rugs, some timber to really add that warmth into a home. When you're choosing some natural elements to add to your room, sometimes timber or jute rugs are not always going to be the best look, but leather is something that you can really rely on to actually add that layer and add that warmth. So whether it be a beautiful lounge seat, a Chesterfield, maybe an ottoman or a single seat, all of those sorts of pieces in leather are really going to look gorgeous in any style of room. So when choosing your pieces, you really need to come and touch and feel and sit and even choose the tone of the brown that you're looking for. And at Schots Emporium here in Melbourne, they've got the largest range in all of Australia, and I'm blown away with how beautiful these pieces are. So come down and choose what piece is going to be right for your home.